has been proven that 90% of people lose money when it comes to trading. The strategy that I'm going to show you is proven. It has 90% winning ratio, 90% making profit ratio. This strategy is the best. It involves candlesticks, it involves moving average, it involves RSI, it involves understanding everything, every candlestick, how to read candlestick, how in this way you will be able to become a successful trader. Let's talk about this candlestick. That's a ready candlestick. I remember trading it. So this ready candlestick is just in the middle. Let's say we don't have this green candlestick, we just have this ready candlestick. So let's hide this part. We're hiding this part so that we can analyze what is really happening here. What you need to know is that we have a W bottom. We do have a W. We can see here, and this is a very good signal that this market is going to reverse. So we do have this type of W. You can see on a daily chart we did have a W bottom pattern. So this W pattern help us to understand where that we are going to reverse. So you can see this star, you can see we have a doji here, and this powerful doji, it did take the market to the upper side. You can see this doji is very powerful. You can see this type of doji, this zoom, this type of doji is very powerful because of the body. You can see we have a small body here, and the wick are very, you can see this one is very large and this one is very small. So this is a type of doji that you need to trade with, and you will become a successful trader. If you could have entered your trade somewhere around here, could have been a good trade. This is a sign that the market wants to reverse, the market wants to go up. So let's go back to that candlestick that we talked about before. Yes, this one. So we see that this doji, it helps us. So you need to enter buy. This is a Nasdaq market or any other market. The analyses are the same. So you need to enter at least a buy somewhere around here. Could have been a good trade if you enter your buy. You can see that this market did go up because this type of the inverted hammer is not a type of reversal pattern. So this is how you read candlestick patterns. You need to learn how to read candlestick pattern, because candlestick patterns are very much important. Candlestick patterns can help us to identify reversal, to identify continuation market, to identify the type of market that we are dealing with candlestick structure like W pattern and M pattern. So another thing that we need to learn is the hammer candlestick. This hammer, you can see we have a hammer candlestick. So you can see the body here. This is a very good body, and this is a hammer type of hammer candlestick. So what do you need to, let's say there was no this market, it's just the hammer. This is very much important. This is very much important. You can see this is a hammer. We don't have that market. You could have entered your trade somewhere around here. Could have been a good trade, and this market could have gone up. What you need to do is trade with margin of safety or rejection. When you wait for rejection, the market will sell, go down because of this hammer. Then after that, you can enter a trade somewhere around here, or somewhere around here could have been a good trade. Let's say you're trading small account. In this way, you'll be able to uh, to not blow your account. So could have been a good trade. You can see from here, if you have entered your trade somewhere around here, the market did go up for more than 3 days until here. Could have been a good trade. Let's talk about another candlestick. This type of doji here on Nasdaq market. This type of doji is the most powerful doji. You can see it's a ready doji. It can act as a reversal pattern. All these candlesticks that I'm talking about, the hammer, this type of doji, are reversal candlestick, including the candlestick that I showed you. Doji candlestick. This type of doji candlesticks, these are reversal candlestick. You must learn this type of candlestick, how to read them, how to understand them. In this way, you will be able to become a successful trader. It could take more than 3 years to understand everything into the market, because there are so many type of candlestick into the market. So we see another hammer candlestick. After a doji, you can see this is another bullish candlestick. Let's talk about this one. Another bullish, the last candlestick another bullish candlestick, you can see. Then we see another hammer. Let's say hammer here. You could have entered a buy. This type, you must learn to understand this type of market. You must learn to understand continuation candlestick. So this hammer that we see here. It was a continuation pattern, showing us that the market is continuing going up. So you can see that this market did go up for days. You can see for days. This candlestick pattern, are very useful. Let's talk about moving average. We do have a moving average. This moving average, let's talk about it when it comes to the uptrend. So this moving average can act as a support level. Look here. We do have a support level here. You can see the moving average is confirming that we have to enter a buy. Could have entered a buy somewhere around here. Could have become a successful trade. In this way, you can place as many trades as you can. You can place a trade here, place another trade here, place another trade here. This is an example of an uptrend on a daily chart on Nasdaq market. So as we know that Nasdaq market is a buying market, it's not like currency. Most currencies are just up and down. So we do have an opportunity to buy. Every pullback, you have an opportunity to buy into the market. You must learn this type of market. You can see this is an uptrend. There's no correction or market crash. So this actually there's no correction. There's no correction this year. Actually, just the market started going up from this doji. You can see this doji. This is a type of doji that you want to trade. It's a reversal doji. You can see the body. Let's talk about downward trend, because most people they don't understand that in Nasdaq market you can get a downward trend, but not for a long period of time. So always get opportunity to buy. So this is downward trend signal called a doji, a ready doji. It's the same as that the ready doji for buying. So that I talked about previously. So this doji candlestick is a very good signal when it comes to reversal. If you could have entered your trade somewhere around here, could have been a sell, could have been a good trade. You can see that the market is going down for a long period of time. Yeah. So this is another doji candlestick, the same as that one. You can see the body. You need to learn this to identify this type of doji. You will become a successful trader. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you what you need to learn. Learn this type of candlestick. In this way, you will become a successful trader, especially when it comes to technical trading. Fundamental trading is another topic for another day. Let's talk about another doji. You can see this doji. Let's say it confirms that the market is reversing. This type of doji, this one, you can see that it's confirming, plus the moving average act as a resistance level, not as a support level. This time as a resistance level, support and resistance level. You need to learn this type of thing. This is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. You can see the market did go down. So yeah, that is how to use the moving average plus the resistance level and support level. In this way, you will be able to understand what you are doing. So you need to understand everything, and money management can help you to know where to enter and where not to enter. Yes, let's talk about I think we need to talk about I think it's inverted hammer, shooting star. This is a type of shooting star candlestick. Let me go to here. This is a shooting star candlestick. You can see that this type of shooting star can reverse the market. Did reverse the market for 2 days. Could have been a good trade. Let's try to see whether there is a ready shooting star. If you see this type of candlestick in a this type of candlestick follow each other, let's say you see this, let's say, yeah, you could have placed a sell. Yeah, the last candlestick you could have placed a sell somewhere around here. Could have been a good trade. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos on how to trade perfectly here on YouTube. I try to explain everything in this English language, because I'm not native to English, but I try by all means to explain everything. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can grow together here on YouTube. And if you want to use the same broker that I'm using right now, you can find the link in the description of this video. This broker is the best. You can open a demo account and start trading on a macro account. and other account. You can find it at description, the link at description and comment section. I wanted to talk about about candlestick pattern today. I will try by all means to explain better next time. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next video.